The best way to spend leisure time specifically for the women in Pakistan is to watch dramas while having a steaming hot cup of tea or coffee while munching on snacks. Well, Pakistan should be proud of the fact that Pakistani dramas are being watched widely across the globe. So, if we have a look upon the reel of the dramas for 2019, 2020, and 2021, a number of these have been marked as blockbuster serials, and here we have compiled a list of the top 10 unforgettable dramas of the year. So, let's get into it. Starting from number 10, which is a love story you can never forget named Rakib Se. It is an entirely different love story from the past that changes the life of a well-settled family. Rakib Se is like a classical love story that has introduced some legendary actors in strong roles that are unforgettable. The main cast of this drama includes Nauman Izaz, Hadika Kiani, Sania Said, Ikra Aziz, and Faryal Mahmood. The drama serial produced by Momina Durai, written by B. Gul, and directed by Kashif Nisar. It aired on Hum TV from 20th January 2021 to 26th May 2021. Number 9. Dunk. Dunk is another amazing drama that is going on air while garnering much praise on ARY Digital. The main cast of the drama serial Dunk includes Nauman Izaz, Sana Javed, and Bilal Abbas. The storyline of Dunk also covers harassment cases. However, a new aspect has been brought to consideration. Every new episode opens up a new chapter of the story, so don't miss it. It was premiered on the 23rd of December 2020. It deals with the false allegations of harassment. The serial has been written by Mohsin Ali and directed by Badr Mahmood. According to producer Fahad Mustafa, the series is based on a real incident from Sargodha. The story is inspired by an incident that took place in Mao College, Sargodha, where a professor committed suicide over false harassment allegations by a student. The series has received mixed reviews from critics, who called the story drag and annoying, and also criticized the director for using very loud sound sequences. Most praised the performances of Yasra Rizvi and Bilal Abbas Khan. Number 8. Spiritual romantic story, Khuda Aur Mohabbat. Khuda Aur Mohabbat has finally gone on air on Jio TV. The first episode made its way to screen on the 12th of February 2021. It has a coveted cast of Ikra Aziz, Junaid Khan, and Feroz Khan. The drama is written by the same novel writer Hashim Nadeem, directed by Syed Wajahat Hussain, and produced by Abdullah Kidwani and Asad Qureshi. It is the third season of one of the most popular dramas, Khuda Aur Mohabbat. The story is the same, but created differently for a whole new experience for viewers. The season premiered on 12th February 2021. Number 7 is A Tale of Sacrifices in Chasing True Love named Rex-e-Bismil. Rex-e-Bismil drama is a tale of sacrifices in chasing true love. As soon as this drama serial went on air, viewers got crazy, specifically after seeing Imran Ashraf in a whole new look. Brilliant actors like Sara Khan, Zara Sheikh, Mahmood Aslam, Anoishe Abbasi, Momin Saqib, and Furqan have gathered to make it the hit of the year. Rex-e-Bismil is directed by Wajahat Rauf. Number 6. Fans. One of the best new dramas is Fans that is going on air on Hum TV. The drama is based on a dark side of relationships and the subsequent mental and physical abuse. Although we have watched so many dramas that are based on rape and sexual abuse, however, this drama highlights how the lower class faces pressure in such a situation. The main cast of this drama includes Zara Noor Abbas, Sami Khan, Ali Tahir, Shehzad Sheikh, and Yashma Gill. Directed by Ahmed Kamran and written by Samina Ejaz under Momina Duraid Productions. Time to reveal the half number, which is The Love at First Sight, Pahli Si Muhabbat. Pahli Si Muhabbat is the love story that will keep you involved with every scene till the end. The main cast of the drama serial Pahli Si Muhabbat includes Maya Ali, Shahryar Munawar, and Hassan Shahryar Yasin. The story revolves around how the lovebirds face the toughest of circumstances in having each other for life. It is a strong game of expressions and how the impossible is made possible while bravely fighting all the way. ARY Digital's Pahli Si Muhabbat has caught the viewers' attention since its release. The buzz around the leading pair that was seen together after a long hiatus was definitely worth the hype. Maya Ali and Shahryar Munawar has stolen our hearts as Rakshi and Aslam. This fresh take on a beautiful love story has all the right elements that make it a classic romance, and it must be on your must-watch list. Number 4. Safar Tamam Hua. Safar Tamam Hua is a new drama serial going on air on Hum TV. From the first episode, this drama has portrayed family relations differently that instantly grabs our attention. Rija is the first character who caught the viewer's attention, the one with some visible cognitive disabilities, very innocent and childlike in her behavior. Rija is raised by Khala, a woman with 2 sons of her own, Jamal and Sami. Rija's father has left the family and remarried. She also raises Anoshe, her other brother's daughter, a man who lives with them, but is a musician who was heavily involved with Tawaif culture and continues to remain there emotionally and mentally. Don't forget to watch this amazing story on Hum TV. Number 3. A must-watch romantic comedy, Shehnai. Among so many serious and emotional dramas, here we have got Shehnai on the list of romantic comedy drama serials. That is a treat for the viewers. Afan Wahid and Ramsha Khan have worked together in multiple drama serials, however, this one is going to be unforgettable. Shehnai is another big project of ARY Digital with an exciting story. After Ghisi Piti Mohabbat, Ramsha Khan will appear with an amazing look and incredible acting in the drama serial Shehnai. Shehnai is a full package having romance, comedy, and powerful acting. Don't forget to watch it in your spare time. Number 2. Fitu. Fitu narrates a love story that transcends above all, as a person in love is bound to forget about the worries of the past and the uncertainty of the future. Despite being a successful architect, Fitu drama story revolves around Hiba Bukhari, who is married to Faisal Qureshi. But she thinks her husband has an extramarital affair with Kiran Haq. Wahej Ali is interested in Hiba Bukhari. Wahej Ali thinks Hiba Bukhari is unhappy with her marriage and is not living happily. He offers to divorce her husband and marry him. Fitu drama has many curiosities and twists in its story. Hiba Bukhari appears opposite to Faisal Khan at the first time. Hiba appeared in Jio TV super hit drama Diwangi opposite Danish Taimur, which was also a blockbuster serial. Now coming towards the number 1st drama serial, which is Qyamat. Qyamat is a story of a young and beautiful girl whose life decisions are dominated by those around her. Eventually, all hell breaks loose when the people closest to her repeatedly make the same mistake, making her future bleak. She, along with her parents and elder sister, belongs to the lower middle class and believes in hard work and honesty. She and her parents are put in a tough spot when her uncle asks for her sister's hand in marriage for his son. The families agree to the proposal without her consent. However, soon after marriage, the girl suffers mistreatment from her husband until she meets a tragic incident, leaving her sister to face the dire consequences. The main cast includes Ahsan Khan, Neelam Munir, Amar Khan, and Haroon Shahid. Don't forget to watch this beautiful drama serial Qyamat in your leisure time. I hope you enjoyed this video. And let us know that which drama serial is your favorite one and mention in comments about your favorite drama serial. Thanks for watching.